Okay. So, anong nakalagay dito? Nano High-Tech Invisible Liquid Screen Protector. 99% invisible protection. Hard anti-scratch corrosion. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So, tingnan ko. Use the wet wipes number 1 to clean the screen. Yan siya, maliit. At ito yung phone ko na unfortunately, punasa ko muna. Ayan. Nagkaroon siya ng lamat. Ugh! I hate it. What can I do? Ayan. So, okay pa naman siya. Nagagamit ko siya. Ayoko siyang palitan. Love na love ko tong phone na to. I use it for gaming and everything. And wala naman masyadong tumatawag sa akin. So, it doesn't matter. Ba't ko palit ng phone? Wala man nangyayari sa buhay ko. Good luck. Bitter. Bitter lang. So, yan. Sabi, punasan mo na yung phone. Entry natin. Buksan natin itong Nano Screen Protector. Tabi mo na yun. So, tignan natin. Paano ba ito buksan? Let's open the package. Ay! Bakit ka ba ginanon yun? Nandun yung nandun. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap ng buksan nito. Ay, mali. Nandito yung instruction. Okay, basahin mo na natin instruction. Wet wipe number 1. Number 2, ilagay natin yung drops. Number 3, after 5 minutes, use clean tissue. Ay, kailangan pala meron tayong timer. Kailangan meron pala tayong timer dito. Sige, gamit tayo ng timer. Asa yung timer nito? Okay. So, pupunasan ko muna ito. Phone ko. Oh my God. Anong whatever. Bahala na po. Sana maging okay ang kahihinatnan ng installation. Installation ng Nano Tech. This is the installation of the Nano Invisible Liquid Screen Protector. Okay, ayan na siya. Open na siya. Wala akong gunting. So, okay, may step 1. Step 1, meron wipe, may ganito, may... Okay, step 1. Use the wet wipes number 1. Okay, wet wipe number 1. Okay, parang hindi naman siya basang-basa. Punasan natin. Use the wet wipe number 1. Okay. And then use, to clean the screen, use dry tissue number 2. Okay, madami tayo niyan. Meron tayong dalawang Okay, wet wipe number 1. And then number 2. Guys, I hope I'm doing this right. Let's cross our fingers na maging okay ang installation. Ang mangyayari nito kasi is parang ang lalabas nito is siya, ito na yung magiging parang mali, shots. Ito yung magiging ito yung wet ito na yung magiging screen protector mo. Kung yung iba parang yung ididikit mo lang ng glass protector, ito bago na to So, number 1 and then number 2. Kailangan malinis na maigi. Okay, tapos, number 2. Ito na yung scary part. Ito na siya. Nalun ko dito. Okay. Nano. I need to shake it. Shake or whatever. Use Okay. Use dry tissue number 2. Bejeweled Nano to all screen before it dry. Okay. So, after nun, kailangan walang mga sagabal na something. Because we don't want that. Okay. Yung pala yung wet. Ito yung dry. Ano ba yan? Bakit meron pa rin mga ano? Ito talaga iniinasan ko yung may naiiwan ng mga ano fiber. Okay. So, tignan natin. Ano naman nito? Medyo mahirap po siyang alisin. Oh my God, para siyang pabango. Tapos yun na. Try natin dito ilagay. So, drop. Ano to? Da-drop mo lang? Okay. Drop natin. Tapos habang dinadrop, ginaganon mo siya. Applicator. Okay. Tapos ina-apply mo lang siyang ganun. Oh my God. This reminds me of something. Sorry, guys. Okay. Ida-drop mo siyang ganon. Squirty, squirty. Kasi ayaw niyang mag-drop ng sarili na niya. Kung kunyari, ano, ida-drop mo lang. Okay. Squirt, squirt. Squirt. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if what I'm doing is correct. So, may screen part pa dito. In fairness, okay naman siya. Okay. Ah! Wala! Oh my God. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Parang tumapon lang siya or something. And look, it's like ewan ko kung ano siya. Ano to? Magdidikit lang siya na ganyan. Maguglo lang siya. I have no idea. Ewan ko. Para siyang pabango or something. What is this? That's it. Tapos, after 5 minutes, use clean tissue. Wipe permanent Nano clean. Okay, so we're going to wait for 5 minutes. I'm not worrying naman because this phone naman is this phone is waterproof, so hindi ko alam kung anong nilagay ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tinalsik ko sa phone ko. Alam mo yun? Parang, oh my God, nakakaloka. Oh my gosh. It so reminds me of something. Sorry. Ka-timingan nga pala. Din yun. Timingan natin. Start. 5 minutes. Ayan. Super 5 minutes now. Okay. Timer starts now. Ng onte. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng pabango sa phone. Yun lang. Well, siguro nandyan pa rin yan. It's like, sabi nga, nanotechnology or whatever. Parang feeling ko hindi naman siya nano. Parang walang nangyari. My phone remained as is. Can you see? There's still the crack. Look. Hindi naman sa inimagine kung mawawala yung crack. Diba? Pero, what the hell? Well, anyway, this is Mia Vlogs again. Thank you so much. And binabalaan ko na lang kayo. Huwag kayong bilhin na kung ano-ano sa internet. Tapos hindi naman pala sure. Sayang lang ang pera mo. Pero okay lang yon. At least, na-experience natin kung ano siya. This product, I think, really doesn't work. Or maybe it does work. Kasi nga sabi nga, it's nanotechnology. But I'm not really sure about that. Anyway, sayang oras. I'll see you guys again. Maybe next time, if I'm going to buy, I'm going to research muna. I'm going to research more. Siguro there's this right product out there. And if there is, then I'm going to vlog it. Bye!